Hello, so in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can copy my trades and how I can also copy your trades. So what I mean by that is, let's say you're a total beginner, you don't know anything about trading, but you want to earn whilst you are learning. I'm going to share with you how you can copy my trades. Maybe you're also a pro trader who likes how I trade. I'm also going to share with you how to copy my trades. And I also share with you how to set up an account that you can also be placing trades and people will be copying from you and paying you for copying your trades. Also, I'll share with you how to access trading signals from the MT5 from a company that has been providing signals since 1999. And also share with you some strategies that you can use or you can start trading, can help you start trading on your own. Okay, so now let's delve into it. Before you can use all of these things that I spoke about, you need to have an account with Ingot Brokers. Okay, why am I recommending Ingot Brokers? Is because they are multi-regulated from different jurisdictions. So if I move the mouse, look at the movement of the mouse to this side. I click here. They are, they have regulation from. If you scroll down just to look at their regulations. Okay, regulated here. CMA Capital Markets Authority in Kenya. If I go to global, with a global to, they are regulated in Seychelles, Financial Services Authority. If I go to AU, that is Australia, realize that they are regulated. They are regulated in ASIC, Australian Securities and Investment Commission. Okay, so it's a multi-regulated platform. Sorry. Yes. So now, after you've created your accounts, you move the mouse to the side. Here, you switch to global. Okay. So now we are going to use the global platform. First, I said I'm going to share with you how you can copy my trades and how I can also copy your trades. Let's look at how you can copy my trades. So if you already have an account, which I have, I have a video on that. If you don't know how to go about it, you can reach out to me on my social media platforms. On Instagram is ftg_fx, as you can see on the screen. Share with me, send me a message that, okay, you want to learn more about how to register an account and all, which I'm going to assist you with that. So with this, you are going to create an account, which if you've already done it, you're going to now log into your account. So I'm going to log into my account. So I click on login. Okay. All right. So, sorry. Okay. So log in. I'm going to log in. Me the Costa Gmail. Okay. 2017. Okay. So because I have protected my account to that extent, after logging in, the platform would have to send me my OTP. So I go back to inbox. I look out for my OTP, one-time password. This. I copy this. I come back here. I put it in here. Verify. So let's say this is your account. Okay, this is your account that you want to, or you would want to copy my trades. Okay, you will just come here, look at down here, you right click here, then new tab. Okay, so this is the copy trading platform. Okay, so when you come to the copy trading platform, you are going to see a lot of traders there. Initially, I said to copy my trades, but what I simply also mean is that to copy other people's trade. Okay, you look at their performance, and then if you are cool with it, you copy. So you look at this, yes, number one. These are his performance, but you want to know more about him, you click on profile to now look at the performance in details. Okay, all right. That is it. To copy people, you click on that. No, but before you can copy, you need to come here, look at the movement of the mouse here, and then click on become a follower. Okay, so you click on this. Now, how do you become a follower? Before, you must have had must have created an account already. Okay, so previously you have logged in with a trading account. There's my trading account. If I take you back to my account, this is the live trading account that I have here, and the account is 53 something. Okay, so I can just confirm that. Let's see. Sorry. 20. Let's see. Okay, so now I am going to now select, because I want to subscribe, I want to copy other people's trades, okay, or you want to copy my trade. I just want to put it in that way. So if you want to copy somebody's trade, you click on this provider, you look out for the person that you want to trade. Okay, so if it is me that you want to trade, I would have to give you my name there for you to search here, and then you scroll down the offer. Sorry, if I had that, then you see the offer, you accept the terms, and then you register, and then that's all. I hope you get me. So that is how you can copy my trades. First, like I said, when you log into your account, you move the mouse to this part, copy trading, click on copy trading. This page will pop up. You see a lot of traders there, people perform well, that is fine. But you want to become a follower so that you follow trades of other people. You click on become a follower, and then this page will pop up. Then you register with the live account or the real account that you would want to, use to follow people's accounts. Then you just do that here. Let's say you also want to, want people to also follow your account, okay? So, or you also want to trade so that people will follow you. You move the mouse to this side, you click on become a provider. Then you click on this provider, and then provider registration. Which account would you want to trade with? Like from your accounts that people can copy from. So this is the account I would want to. I can put out a nickname, click here, and then register. Okay, now after registration, you can now set up your terms. Maybe you want to take 10%, 5% for people using your account and all of that. It all depends on you. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, this is how you can copy my trades, and I can also copy your trades. Okay, then the next one I said I was going to share with you was how to access signals from the MT5. Okay, now remember, after you have created your account, logged into your MT5, which I have videos on that already. If you want those videos, you can reach out to me from the contact on the screen, and I'm going to share those educational videos with you. So let's say you already have those videos. You have logged into your account. Okay, this is how maybe it's going to look like. First of all, you would have to tidy up your account. Well, it depends, but let's say you want to tidy up an account. Let me share that with you. You right click on the screen like this. You scroll down to properties. You click on properties. Then you come to bull candle. Normally we use green colors to represent the bull candle. So green, then bear, red. Remember, the bulls are the buyers, the bears are the sellers. Buyers buy when they believe it will go up, sellers sell when they believe it will go down. Now that I'm done with that, I click on OK. So you realize that the colors have changed. Okay, all right. So the next thing I want to do is maybe I want to tidy up this whole thing. So I click on this, and then I come here, I click on grid to do away with the grids. And then I scroll down a bit. These are indicators. I right click here to delete this indicator. Okay, and delete the whole indicator window. Blah 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 blah. Where do I what? Okay, so maybe I can still go ahead. Keep changing some of these things. Let's say this indicator, I'm not comfortable with it. I want to do away with it. A moment. I can delete this indicator as well. Okay, so this is just a period separator that tells me what happened in a day, blah blah blah, and also now I have tidied up my account. Okay, now I want trading signals to trade. Like I told you, I'm going to share with you how to access trading signals on the MT5. Okay, if only you are using Ingot Broker account. So how am I going to get these signals? Now that I've tidied up my account, I move the mouse down here. I click on news. Okay, so now I click on news. You see all of these here. You scroll up. Okay, now when you scroll up, you see all of these news coming up, blah blah blah, like all of that. Let's say this, I click on this. I want to know more about this signal. Okay, I double tap on it like this, maximize it. So it is telling me that what is saying here is Euro Swiss francs intraday, as long as 0.9291 is support. So support is the price at the bottom, resistance is the price at the top, basically. If you want to learn more about this too, you can join our classes and learn more of these technical strategies. But I say, as long as this is the support, look for this, okay? So the support is 9291, look for 9346, okay? So then the strategy believes that the price is going to keep going up. You scroll down, you see all the details here. So you can buy, have your stop loss anywhere, and then that's it, okay? So this is where you can find trading signals on the MT5 if you are using Ingot Brokers platform, okay? Come here, you can click on this, and then you see these details, okay, where you can see charts also supporting all of this. Now, I said they provide signals since 1999, so you scroll down to this part and look at this, a copyright 1999 to 2025, Trading Central, okay? So they've been in existence for a while. You can try them out and also see. So now I've shown you how you can copy my trades, how I can also copy your trades, how you can access signals on the MT5. I'm going to also share with you some basic strategies you can use as a trader, and then see how it goes, okay? So first, we are going to look at four indicators that you can use, okay? The first one we are going to look at is parabolic SAR. So you move the mouse to the left side, top there, you click on insert. Then you come down, you click on indicators. Then you scroll down, then you see trend, okay? So then you scroll down as well, then you select parabolic SAR, okay? Then you click on OK. So realize that immediately I click on OK, you could see some dots or green dots on the screen. A moment. You can see some green dots on the screen, okay? Immediately I selected that. You move the mouse to the left side, click on insert indicators, you come to trend, insert parabolic SAR, okay? Now with these dots, okay, with these dots, what you can deduce from this is that it's very simple and straightforward, okay? Using this indicator, very straightforward. First of all, it tells you that when the parabolic SAR is above the candlesticks, okay, when we say candlesticks, these bars, when it's above the candlesticks, it tells you that there are high chances price is going to keep going down, okay? And when the parabolic SAR is below the candlesticks, it tells you that there are chances price is going to keep going up. Please, I hope you get it. So basically, this is how to go about it. So for instance, if we look at this trade, okay, the parabolic SAR is below the candlesticks, we believe that it's going to go up. So what do we then do? We place our trade, okay? So how do you place your trade? You right click on the screen, then you select one click trading like this. Then you see this small red thing pops up here. What are we going to do now? We are now going to place our trade, because looking at this analysis, it tells us that the price is going to keep going up. If the price is going to go up, what are you going to do? You are going to buy, okay? So what do we then do? We press a buy here. So you buy here, then we press our buy, okay? Okay, then we select okay. So immediately we press our buy, we see this negative here, negative 0.20. That is what the broker or Ingot Trade platform is charging you for using its platform. That's how they make money, and then that's it, okay? So now that we have placed our trade, AUD USD. Oh, I should have changed it. Okay, let me look out for another. Okay, let me close it so that we can look out for another instrument. But one thing I want to also share with you is that when you are done tidying up your account, putting this indicator on, you can choose to save it. Okay, how do you save it? You right click on the screen, you come to templates, you select save template, then you say maybe SAR, okay? So that's, if you choose another instrument, you're not going to go back and forth. So let's go back and choose another instrument. I move the mouse to the left side, you click on view, okay? And then with view, you scroll down, then you select market watch, okay? Now with market watch, you can select any instrument that you want to trade. Let's say AUD like this. You right click on it, then you select charts, click on charts. So now we have the charts, we close this, but the charts looks scattered like the one we saw earlier. So we want to tidy it up, but because you have set the template already, you right click on it, you come to templates, You now select SAR like this. Okay. All right. Remember we said with the parabolic SAR, when the candlestick is below the SAR, the dots, it tells you that their chances price is going to go down. And when the candlestick is above the SAR, it tells you that their chances price is going to go up. Okay, so what do I then do? Looking at this, I believe that it's going to go down. So I now move the mouse to the left side, or I want to trade now. So what do I want to do? I'll sell. Sellers sell when they believe it will go down. Buyers buy when they believe it will go up. Okay, so now I come to here, this part, I press sell. And I press sell. So after pressing my sell, I will see the trade here where I have the mouse. Okay, see the instrument time and all of that, lot size and all. Okay, what you see, the negative you see is how much the broker is, or the ingot broker is charging you for using its platform. Okay, if you also don't know how to use this and you want to use the signals earlier, like I said, can come to news, tap on any of them, you will see this kind of information that you can choose to use as your signal. Okay, but this is what will also guide you in making a decision. Okay, so now that we are done with that, we want to set our stop loss and take profits. Okay, so stop loss, take profits. What you will do is that you will now either you will click here on the trade and then come to modify or delete. Okay, so you click on modify, then you will adjust that. But MT5 is very easy and simple to use, so you don't stress yourself too much. You just tap on where you have the trade. Okay, where the line on this line, when you place the trade, this line came up, long press it like this and then drag it. Okay, so when you drag it down, remember selling, we sold believing that it will go down, then we buy believing that it will go up. But this one we sold, so when it go down we sold, so when it goes down then it means we are going to make profits. So when you drag it here, then you leave it. Okay, then you press this. Okay, so this is your take profit. So if the trade comes down to this point, this is going to be your take profit. Then you long press the same line like this and then you drag it up. Okay, maybe this point. Okay, then you click on this. So now if the trade gets to this point, it should take you out or it should close you out. And how much you are willing to trade with lose on that is 2.30. If the trade also comes down to this point, you are going to be making profit, and the profit you want to make, let me drag it down a bit, is 4.40. Okay, so basically this is how to use, or place your trade, set your stop loss, set your your take profits and all. Basically that is it. And this is the first strategy, parabolic SAR. Let's look at another strategy which has got to do with moving average. Okay, so I want to delete this indicator. I will just click on it and then I come down here, delete indicator. Okay, the new indicator I want to try with or practice is what we call the moving average. So you move the mouse to the left side, insert indicators, you scroll down, you come to trend, then you come down, you select moving average, then you press OK. Okay, let me minimize it a bit. So that is the red line. Let me change it to white. Change it to white. Okay. Okay. So okay, what this indicator is if the candlestick, okay, this candlestick crosses the moving average to the upside, like here, it tells you that there are high chances is going to go up. And if the candlestick crosses the moving average down, it tells you there are high chances price is going to go down. If it's going to go down, you sell. If it's going to go up, you buy. Okay, so this is how the moving average indicator works. Go to insert indicators, you select trend, you come select moving average, and then you wait for the candlestick to cross. When it crosses it down, you sell. When it crosses it up, you buy. Okay, now we delete this indicator again, and then we look at another indicator called the MACD. Okay, so you move the mouse to the left side, you click on insert, come to indicators, you scroll down. MACD is under oscillators. Okay, trend oscillated, you move down to here, you select MACD, and you tap on OK. With MACD, as you can see these white bars here, When the bar is above, okay, it crosses this horizontal line here and then it is above. As you can see, it tells you that prices are going to go up. So what you do? You press your buy. Your buy trade. You set your stop loss and take profit, like I shared with you. If the MACD is down, it tells you that prices are going to go down. As you can see, the mouse here, when it crossed down here, prices started coming down. You press your sell, and then you have your stop loss and take profits in there. So basically, this is how to also start trading on your own using the parabolic SAR indicator, the moving average indicator, the MACD indicator. Ensure that you keep practicing to familiarize yourself well with it. And then also you can also reach out and join our free classes or sessions to learn more about trading, join the community and let's have conversations. Thank you very much for joining us. But like I said, the platform that I'm recommending for you to join is Ingot Brokers. Okay, so when you visit that and then you log in into your account, you are going to see all of these. Which, if you don't know how to log into your account, also reach out to me. I'm going to share with you a tutorial video to help you create your account, log into your account, and all of that. Once again, thank you for joining me.